Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So you can now control the font weight in the main menu for your Brilliant Directory website. You could always control this, but before you needed to add some CSS to your menu items. Now you can just toggle a switch. Let me just show you where that is so we can see the font weight just as it is just at the moment. Let's go to settings and design settings. When that loads up, within the first tab, we're looking for the main menu. So we've got the main menu just down here. And then you have some settings just down here. Now, originally there was just the menu font family and menu font size, but now you can select the weight of the font as well. So let me just show you what that looks like. We'll go to extra bold. So it's a significant change. We'll save that. And then we'll go back here and we're looking at this font here as we refresh the page. And you can see now that's gone extra bold. So it just saves you adding the bold CSS to the individual menu item. You can still do that to a degree within the main menu. If you want to pull out single ones, maybe you want some of them bold, some of them extra bold, and some of them just normal font weight. So you can still do it individually, but now there's a toggle switch to achieve that completely across the board. I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.